didn't do the torta fritta here in New Zealand for about 1 year, so today is a very good day. Hola guys, my name is Marcos, I am from Argentina, and today I will show you how to make a torta frita. The torta frita is a very simple recipe. It's only dog fried with in grace, so you can eat it salty but itself, or you can add sugar or dulce de leche. This recipe is a half kilo of flour, 1.5 spoon of fat, 300 milliliters of hot water. So put the hot water with the fat and start to do the dough. It's similar that the dough of the bread dough, but it's not have the yeast. So we put in the bench and do the exercise. You don't need to go to the gym when you do the torta fritas. So you have to do the dough and let them rest for a half hour, and you can cook it in fat or oil. And if you are a vegetarian or vegan, you can use oil instead of the fat. As can you see, it's very simple to do. So we have to let it rest for a half hour and do the torta fritas. We will portion the dough in small pieces, and we're gonna do a little balls of dough. Balls of dough ready, and do a few circles of dough, and then we have to do a cut in the middle of the dough. It's because when you cook in the fat, it will be filled with air. So we have here already the torta fritas, and we have to put the fat to boil. So we are putting the beef tallow or the dripping fat to boil. You can do with oil. The fat don't have to be very hot. Put in a little piece of dough inside and see if when it's doing bubbles, it's because it's ready. So I think yes, this fat is ready. So we're gonna put the dough inside. You can see the golden color of the dough. That means the torta frita is crunchy. Look, this beautiful, the golden color, and you can smell and feel the crunch of the dough. So let's try it. When it's time to try the torta frita, wow, so good. Wow, very good. Well, you should do it in your house because it's very cheap, very simple. It's amazing. Okay guys, if you enjoy this video, make this torta frita in your house, subscribe this channel, and see you later.